everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you love to shop Luxe, welcome. My name is Joanne and let's be friends on Instagram at Shop Luxe and I'll link it down here for you. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. In today's video, I am featuring the Louis Vuitton small agenda cover and we will also be unboxing the Louis Vuitton agenda refill. The small agenda cover is in Damier Ebene canvas. It has a gold snap closure that opens to a chocolate brown cross-grain leather interior. There is one patch pocket in the back and another one in the front. There are 3 card slots which I normally use to hold insurance cards or gift cards or coupons. At the bottom of it says Louis Vuitton Paris. It is made in Spain. And it has 6 small brass binder rings that hold Louis Vuitton inserts. There is also a small rolled leather piece to hold a pen in place. This agenda is actually a gift from my niece. Hi Meg, thank you. So when she sent it to me, it already included calendar inserts that work perfectly in keeping my appointments. I like that I can manually input the date and month. I used it as a notepad to list items I needed to buy at the grocery. I also use it as a diary notebook to jot down important things to remember, and of course my luxury shopping wish list. And lastly, the size of the small agenda is 4 inches in length, 5.75 inches in height, and 0.75 inches in width. So now let's go ahead and unbox the Louis Vuitton agenda refill. Here is the receipt, and my SA also sent me some sample fragrances like the California Dream, the Afternoon Swim, and there's another one for women that's hard to pronounce, so I'm just going to write it down here. I'm thinking of getting the California Dream cologne for my husband this Valentine, but we'll see. So now let's go ahead and unbox the agenda inserts. So let's take this out. I really love the packaging of Louis Vuitton. So the illustration is so cute. There's Vivienne. The sides are in the color silver, which is so cute. The cover is made with a cardstock. I love the drawings. They're so cute and colorful. So each month has its unique illustration, and the first few pages are a list of holidays and important dates. And there's also a monthly calendar where I put all the birthdays so I don't forget. I like that each date has lines and that makes my handwriting neat. And I would use the box at the bottom of the page for reminders or list of things to bring. So this is for the month of March. And then it says Juliet for July. And here's for the month of October. It's so cute. You see? And here's for the month of December. And here are a few pages for the notes. And here we have 2 pages of really cute stickers. They're so cute. I'm so excited to use them. So now I'm going to put in the new inserts. But I'd still want to keep this part. This is actually my wish list and also my husband's grandma's recipe of the leche flan. It is so good that I really want to learn how to make it. Okay, so now I'm going to put in the new inserts. What I love about the small agenda is it's very handy. It is light and can fit in most of my bags. It helps me keep track of my schedule, especially doctor's appointments and other important days like birthdays. It serves as a diary and I use it for my passwords so I don't forget them. As for the cons, what I don't like about it is that because it's small, it's kind of hard to write on it. And it's hard to read my handwriting as well as the writings on the insert. And for the wear and tear of the agenda, there are some scratches and scuffings on the sides, as well as the edges are bent and started to warp. And also, the pen holder is so small that it won't fit a regular pen. Regardless of the cons that I said, I really think that this is going to be a wonderful addition in my collection. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. I'll see you, my friends, on the next one. Bye!